Hi, I'm the neighborhood president in East Winston, Northeast Winston, and I have problems in my own house that I need to clear up. My family member continues to keep these cars in the backyard. Now you can clearly see that these cars are making a problem in the house, in the backyard. There has been 62 people to date come by and offer to buy these cars for junk or to just move them off the property. My family member has said no. So I'd like you to know that I'm not responsible. I've done the best I could. I've told the city people when they come by to cite the cars that I have no control over what my family member does with these cars. For some reason, he wants to keep these cars back here, and it's just contributing to the rats, snakes, and everything. This is just terrible. 1995, this car has been sitting here. Since 1995. Can you believe this? And this one, not too long after. So I just wanted to say to anybody out there, tax people, whoever, it is my family member, Mr. Reed, that are keeping these cars on this property, and I have no control over it. Thank you. Really looks bad. Look at the mold. It's terrible.